Welcome to this beautiful property, a perfect place to call home. Prime location, quiet and safe neighborhood. Exterior residential house, peaceful neighborhood. Located in a peaceful and highly desirable neighborhood. Enjoy a spacious living area filled with natural light and modern design. Modern kitchen interior, white cabinets, island. This modern kitchen offers high-end finishes and a functional layout. Luxury bedroom interior, king-size bed, warm lighting, comfortable and peaceful bedroom. Relax in a peaceful bedroom designed for maximum comfort. Modern bathroom interior, glass shower, elegant tiles. The bathroom features modern finishes and stylish details. Private garden, perfect for relaxing. Enjoy beautiful outdoor spaces, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Wide interior cinematic shot with space for text. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open kitchen, private garden, parking space. This home offers everything you need for modern and comfortable living. Contact us today to schedule your private tours.